Today I'm doing a what's in my bag zero waste edition, so you should definitely keep watching. This is my purse. I picked it up from ThreadUp. It's an online consignment shop, also a secondhand store, and I do believe it's like a vegan leather bag, so yay. So the contents of my purse are pretty minimal, and I like to keep them organized in sections or in their separate bags, I should say. So the first thing that I have is my wallet. I recently picked this up from Target, so obviously this was not purchased secondhand. I am a working mom, so I often will go from this purse over into my diaper bag. I really just wanted a wallet that I could easily transport from one bag to another. So when I'm running very quick errands like to the store and back, and I'm going by myself and I don't need everything that my purse has in it, I do like to just grab my wallet. My phone can fit in here, my keys could fit in here, and a chapstick can fit in here, and really that's all I'm gonna need when I'm running a quick errands. All that to say, I just love the versatility of that particular wallet, and I really feel like it meets my needs and my current lifestyle. The first zero waste essential I have in my bag is my reusable cutlery. This is by a brand called Ware, and it comes in this really great pouch. It has chopsticks, spoons, like a butter knife, a fork, and then I just put in my own little reusable straw. It has a carabiner attached to it, so this is a perfect zero waste essential. The next thing in my bag is this waxed canvas pencil case. Actually don't use it for pencils, I use it for all of my beauty items. So the first thing in this bag is my little pouch, and I keep all of my vitamins in here. Next thing I have in here is my little carabiner, and on here I have bobby pins, hair clips, and a safety pin. I have this Clary Calm monthly blend for women. This is really great when you have cramps or are just in a bad mood and need a little uplift. Next two essentials I have in here are my little compact mirror, so I could check myself in my mirror, make sure I don't have anything in my teeth, make sure I don't have any bats in the cave, if you know what I mean. And I always carry a pair of tweezers in my bag. Tweezers are essentials for me. If you're a girl and you get those like random hairs that grow out of random places on your body and you're like, why? Why does this happen to me? Tweezers are your friend, and I have to have my tweezers. So maybe not all of you understand what I'm talking about, but I know there are some of you out there who get it. The next thing I have in here are my Refresh Tears lubricant eye drops. I do have dry eye, so my eye doctor requested that I use eye drops throughout the day. The next thing I have is this Surfer's Salve. Isn't it amazing all the stuff I can fit in this little bag? It's a Surfer's Salve. I don't know how to say it. But it's made in Hawaii. I picked this up in, where did we go for our honeymoon? We went to Maui for our honeymoon. I just picked this up at like a random gas station. But basically it's for sunburns, dry skin, bug bites, chapped lips, and minor rashes. So this is a very dual purpose product. I also like the packaging because it's in a little tin. So the next little thing I have in this bag is my Burt's Bees lip shimmer in the color Fig. It is a animal cruelty free product, and it is also, I believe, vegan, and it is recyclable. I gotta mention that. So it is plastic, but it is in recyclable plastic. Anyways, I really like this particular color. It has like a nice light sheen to it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. So it adds just a pop of color to my lips. It's also very hydrating, and on top of all that, it smells like peppermint. So when I'm having bad breath and need a little something to kind of help, this guy does the job. I feel like it really just makes my lips feel plump, moisturized, gives me a pop of color, and makes me feel like I have fresh breath. Yay! If you guys are like me and are always using their keys, you can get this little like tracker thing. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it linked in the description box if I can remember. My cell phone, woohoo! It's kind of dirty. You guys see that dirty screen? Ooh. The case that I have is from a company called Pela, or Pella, I think it's Pela. They're a Canadian brand, and all of their cell phone cases are compostable, so they are completely earth friendly. They are not plastic, and I love the cases. I think they're very durable. They do the job of protecting your phone. My husband has one. I actually own two, and I love the Pela case. So if you're looking for a zero waste phone case, I definitely recommend Pela. Pila. Alright guys, we are coming to the end. I just have 2 more things to show you. I also keep a reusable napkin in my bag. So I love to use this for drying my hands. I will use this as a napkin with food I'm eating. The other thing I love to do is actually wrap my finger with this cloth, and then I will use this to remove any makeup that has smudged. So there are a lot of great uses for when you have a reusable napkin on hand. The next thing I have is this canvas bag. I just keep it folded up in my purse. Now, for me, when I was going out and sometimes running errands or ended up purchasing something that I wasn't planning on, I never had any reusable bags on hand, so I would end up using those plastic bags, and I hated it. So I decided I needed like a solution, so now I just keep a canvas bag in my purse at all times. All right, guys, that is it for my zero waste, green beauty, everything that I have in my bag. I hope that was helpful for you and kind of just gave you some ideas of things that you can keep in your bag and ways to actually keep it really simple. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next week. Bye.